What's up, my beautiful people? If you're just viewing, welcome to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you all so much. Today we will be making this wig cap, and we're going to use synthetic hair. So what we do, we turn the wig on the wrong side and we place it on the mannequin head. This is how it would look. After you do that, you make sure you have your glue gun and you try to make a straight line as possible. A straight line. There, my glue gun was giving me a little problem. Yeah, we just go straight as possible and we go to the end. We don't go to the other side, we stop right to the end. Yeah, I need to put a little more there. Yeah, and we stop right here and we do it straight to the other side. So we do it on this side just like that. We do the same process on this side. Try to do it as clean as possible. So I will just leave you all to watch, and when I pitch in and talk, I talk. And see there, I cut a little piece of my hair. Oh. But yeah, we just do that process, go straight up. So this is where I stop. And then I just proceed to the other section. And we did the same thing, the same exact thing on the other side. Look, you see? We don't have it stick to the cap itself so that it can print through. So we just do the exact same thing on the other side. I take off my tag and I do the same thing on the other side, from one end to the other. So now we finished the both side, we're going to go into the middle. From end to end, straight around, and none is catching the cap in the inner layer, because we don't want it to stick on the cap so that it stick through. I just don't like it. Now we're going to do the round, the rim, yeah, the old part. So we do the same exact thing, but this time we're going to do it around, like straight around, like the cap itself, and we do it from one end to the other. At this time we have to just do it so slow and take our time. We have to have patience and take our time, and we just meet it to the other part of the hair. You can do this little by little, but I think I could manage to do it long, like that. Just take your time and just layer it as close as possible around the cap. Guys, you can put it on top of each other if you want it to be fluffy. I didn't want a lot of hair. If you watch my channel, you know I'm not an eerie person. Like, I don't like the puffy hair. I don't like hair sometimes. It's all depend on the style, and this style I didn't want it to be too much hair. So then I just go ahead and I continue this step until I finish up top. You can pack it if you want. You can put one on top of the other, as I say. So now that we are finished, almost finished, we going to look how our cap is. Guys, I love this cap. I wear it everywhere once I don't feel to do a hairstyle, and I'm just going to shopping and I just go in right there. I just put it on in my head and I gone about my daily business. I had that little piece and I just stick it to the middle. Why throw it? And this is it. Now we're going to turn it over and see what we achieve. Just take your time while doing it. Have patience, and you will get it. You will get it. So this is me taking it off and turning it over. Tell me you don't like it. Tell me you don't like it. And we comb it out and we just get it to how we want it to look. This was a synthetic hair. You can get yourself any hair you want. I just use a synthetic hair. And now we're just going to tuck inside the middle. You realize I don't touch the hat itself. I do it on the little bump. Why I don't do that? Because I don't want the glue to speak through my hat. You can do it, but you have to just be extra careful when you're doing it. But I just didn't want it to touch my hat. And this is it. This is it. this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you reached this far of the video, because I have a lot more video to come on just to teach us so we can do our own hair, do our own thing, and be flawless and save some money. Guys, thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate it. One love. Mwah. Take care. Just watch to the end, you will see me rock this wig.